Hello everyone, this is Sam from Tech Studios. In this short video I want to teach you how to create simple GIF animated for loading. I create 100 by 100 pixels and 72 resolution DPI dot per inches for web. Let's zoom in and create guidelines to the center. I create a rectangle and set it to the good position. Okay, Control Alt T. Make sure your anchor point control is enabled. Move it to hold on the Alt key and move to the center of the document. Hold Shift and rotate. Enter. Control Alt Shift. T. Because I made a small document and zoomed about 500%, so we see the resolution a bit low. Don't worry. Hide all layers except the background. Go to the window, timeline, click on create video timeline, and for the simple way I create on the frame animation mode. Even we could hide the background layer to have transparent GIF. Create new frame, enable first layer, and continue on and on. For the second, create new frame. Keep continuing until you enable all layers one by one. Alright, let's select all frames. Click first one, hold on the shift key, last frame, and click the time and set 0.2 seconds. Let's play to test is working or not. Alright, if you want your last frame stop a bit more, so I could click for example 0.5, play again. I think that's fine. Stop. Go to the file menu, export, save for web, or hold on to Alt, Shift, Control and S. Select the format here as a GIF. If you want to transparency, make sure this option is enabled here. You can play here for a test. And make sure your looping options is forever. If you select once, only play one and stopped. Or also you can set other, for example 10 times. But we need for web or other applications forever. Also if you need to decrease or increase the size, you can set here by % or width and height. Save it. Loading. Let's test, is that working? Here you can see the results. Okay, you can see it shows perfectly. Thank you.